Welcome to the channel. Here is a short clip on how to renew your OWWA membership using mobile app. Step 1. Download OWWA App from App Store, iOS, Apple mobile phone, or Google Play from Android phone. Step 2. Open OWWA App to confirm your membership status condition by clicking Log in. Click to sign up if you do not have an account. Step 3. Complete the OWWA information sheet form. After completing the information sheet form, click Register and click OK. After clicking OK, your employment information will be displayed. In Step 4, change and update contract duration to 24 months. And update Jobsite. Click Submit button. After click Submit, you will be redirected to Land Bank e-payment portal. In Step 5, select your payment option. And select Cash Payment. New window will display your payment transaction summary. From the payment summary, click to put check mark on the age verification section, and click Submit. In Step 6, select your payment method. Choose your payment method from different payment centers and fill out the following information. In the payment details, it will show your total amount to be paid as 1,464 pesos. Click Proceed, and click OK. After clicking Proceed, next window will see payment result with reference number details. A simple reminder. Payment must be made not more than 3 days, otherwise, your application will expire. Also, pay the necessary fees using the provided payment methods. Membership will be activated immediately after payment and will be valid for 2 years. Do not forget to keep the copies of the receipts as proof that you have settled your OWWA membership for the next 2 years.